Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. Today I'm going to the Allentown neighborhood of Buffalo, New York with my Nikon Zfc and 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. It should be a lot of fun. Come on along. I'm at the edge of Allentown because I want to get a photo of this pretty cool house. My initial settings on my camera is it's in manual mode. I'm at 1/125th of a second, aperture of f8, and auto ISO. And along the way, I'll talk about what I like and don't like about the camera. Overall, though, I really do like the camera. There's only a couple things I wish they'd change. All right, I'm going to walk towards Allen now. I'm going to cross here. can't shoot. There's too many cars. I know another place we could do it up around the corner. I want to get the Josh Allentown thing. Yep. Just stay right there. Just stay right there. That's a notorious dive bar in Buffalo called the Pink. I pre-ordered this camera the first day pre-orders were available, and I received it a couple days after they started shipping it. That was over a month ago, so I've been using it quite a bit, and I really like most everything about it. A lot of people were complaining it doesn't really have a grip, but I don't find that to be a problem at all because it's very, very light and it's easy to handle. The big knobs for ISO and shutter speed, exposure compensation are excellent. One thing I don't like, it has this nice big ISO button so you could adjust ISO, but there's no way to turn on auto ISO without going through the menu system. You can't, it doesn't have an auto ISO setting on the dial. It doesn't have it so you could program it onto a function button, and it's not in the I menu. You can't put it there either. You have to go through the menu system. Now it does have a My Menu, so I do have it on My Menu, so it is relatively easy to access, but I think it's a significant oversight to not have it on the ISO dial itself. So you can just turn it on auto ISO if you want to. Otherwise, the only other thing that if your eyesight close up isn't very good, you may not be able to see the aperture because it's a really tiny LCD here that shows the aperture. Of course, you could see it in the viewfinder and on the back screen as well. But if you just are looking at the top of your camera, as you're turning the front function dial to set your aperture, you may not be able to see it. So that's the only thing that I found a little bit clunky about it. Now the 16 to 50, this is a crop sensor camera, so that's a full frame equivalent angle of view of 24 to 75 millimeters. So it's a nice walk around lens. I really think this is a perfect like travel camera, walk around camera. When you don't want to take maybe your better camera with you, you can just carry this around, and as you noticed, it takes great photos. Well, that's it. That's a quick walk around Allentown in Buffalo, New York with my Nikon Zfc. If you like these type of videos, let me know in the comment below, and I'll do more with other cameras that I own. Thanks for watching.